A stock screener can take your criteria and search through thousands of stocks or options to find ones that fit. In TD Active Trader, you can find the screener widget in the Tools and Analysis widget menu. It's also part of the default Scan workspace. Creating your custom screen starts with choosing what to search for: stocks, options, or both. You can also restrict your search to results that are part of the Intersects with group, or not part of the Exclude group you selected. These groups can be a custom watch list, index, or industry. Now that we got the basics out of the way, let's look at the cool stuff. Select Add Filter to create a line item in the scan. Then use the drop-down menu to choose the category for your filter. Stock filters include measurements you might see in a stock quote. As you might suspect, option filters include measurements you might find in an option chain. Fundamental filters are based on metrics from financial statements and ratios. And lastly, study filters let you search securities based on criteria more aligned with technical analysis. Once you've chosen the type of filter you want to use, it's time to select an operator and value. Of course, you don't have to limit yourself to one filter, but keep in mind that setting too many filters might limit your results. Use the Matches figure on the right-hand side for help determining if your search is too restrictive. If you get too many search results, you can restrict the number of results per page and sort the list using the drop-downs or columns at the top of the list. Once you've set up your search criteria, click Scan. A list based on your filters will then be created for you. Don't see a column heading you're interested in? Use the hamburger menu to customize the list columns. When you're done customizing, save the watch list in the same menu. That's Screeners in a nutshell.